Hi friends, today you're going to do your first opinion writing. We do opinion writing throughout the year just to get better at it. Opinion writings are normally fun, so let me show you what you're going to do. First of all, when we talk about our opinion, someone says, "What is your opinion?" You're normally given some choices, and you choose one choice and you tell why it's your favorite or why you don't like it or why it's the best thing to do. Your opinion is just something you think. There's no wrong answer. So the steps to writing an opinion are first to think. You're going to look at the choices you're given and you think about them. Then you have to decide. You have to pick one choice and then you explain. And this is where you write. When you explain, you always use the word because. Their sentence says, "I like green apples because they are sour." They didn't just tell me they like green apples. I can tell that from the picture. But they told me why they like them. So when you do your writing today, give me some reasons. Use the word because to tell me why you chose your choice. Now, we are going to go to your choices here very quickly. All right, here's your choices for today. Your question says, what is the best way to get around on your own? So if you can't go in your parents' car and you want to get somewhere, what would you choose? Would you choose a bike, a skateboard, skates, or something else? If you choose something else, it just has to be a way to get around. Maybe you want a scooter, or maybe you have something else that can help you get around that is not on this list. You're going to choose one thing. You are going to tell me what you chose and why you chose it by using the word because. And then you are going to write and draw a picture of your choice. You're going to turn it into Seesaw just like you do your other writings. Good luck today, friends.